What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1, and I'm coming to you with another upgrade for the TRAXXAS Vortec 2.0. So primarily what I'm going to be installing right now is the CNC aluminum carrier stub axle left and right for the TRAXXAS Vortec. Part number is TRF2201. So if you guys don't know what that is, I'm going to be replacing this piece for aluminum. So let's come across and I'm only going to do one rim at this point, and then I'll give you the final product once it's done. So let me just take my little tool, release the wheel. There we go. So the cool thing about this is that there's already Loctite on there. So the rim is off. Here we go. Now with my little drill, I already have the aluminum, the stainless steel screws. I'll take this off. Cut that off, and that releases right there. Let me take this piece off. Here we go. And all right. So I'm going to be replacing this ASAP. I think I need to take off the somewhat for my brakes, the visual of my brakes. Alrighty, that seems simple enough. Take that part out. There's the pin. Try not to lose the pin when you're doing this. And it looks like I have a Teflon washer right there as well, so I gotta watch out for that. Now to release these bad boys, thank goodness, it does tell me left and right if you guys mess up one way or another. Going to have to pry out the bearings that are installed in there. Bear with me 1 second. That slipped out very nicely. This slipped out very nicely as well. Let me take these bearings, slide them up in here. Nice and smooth, I'm hoping. There we go. And on this side, there we go. Nicey nice. Now I have to throw in the axle. Slides up in here. The Teflon washer goes back in there. Here's my pin. Slide you back up in here. Oops. Let me not lose this since I'm filming without editing. Now the brake pad goes on top. Slide you in nice and smooth. Beautiful. And here's my caliper. Now what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to put some more Loctite right here. Not too crazy, just a little bit. Just a little dab will do ya. There we go. Alrighty, put my Loctite down. Put you into the center hole, which it looks like it was already there. And for this part, I think I'm going to use my 2mm screwdriver. Don't want to over thread it. Beautiful. I'm trying not to over tighten. Should be nice and smooth right there. All right, now to install it back into the RC. Watch out for the dog bones, because the dog bones need to be installed here. Okay, here's my dog bone right here. You know, before I install the dog bone, let me just put this If I could find it, there we go. Line up the holes. In theory, you should slide in smoothly, in theory. Let me see if I could just push it a little bit more. Pull back a little. Nice and smooth. See, it's a little tight. I don't want it tight. I want it to go a little bit freely. There we go. A little bit of an adjustment there. It seems smooth enough. Put the dog bones in here. Right here, we'll be changing that out very soon, sooner than later. That's why I haven't even greased them up yet, because we're gonna get different type of dog bones, different type of arms, and also I'm putting in the links over here. I need to find the screw, so I have to match it up the same side, which is the inner part. And once again, a little bit of Loctite, because we're going metal on metal. Always remember that. Loctite is your friend. Trust me. You don't want to start losing parts all around this RC, because you're spending an investment of doing this type of setup. All right, I like to do it by hand. I'm not going to use my drill. And here we go. Hand tighten, because I don't want to overdo the tightening. I'll give you a quick visual of what this bad boy looks like. I mean, it's mostly cosmetic, but it does serve its purpose. So I'm going to be working on the other side of this, and we'll see how that turns out, and we'll see what happens in the near future. Alrighty, so I wanted to give you the finished product. That anodized black looks totally awesome. Just to have an upgrade on your RC. There's plenty of more updates and upgrades I'm going to be doing on this RC. But that looks really, really cool. I like the way it was set up. I can't wait for the, everything else to come together. So hopefully this video was informative to you. Rate, comment, subscribe. Until my fellows up on YouTube. Later.